So today I am making some transfers with on this board right here with my logo. And I'm trying a couple of different things. Like I just did one here using a rag, damp rag. And of course the only problem with that is a lot of times you'll rub off a letter or something. So now I got this foam brush and I'm going to try it, and always try to get this pretty damp. I think I got some glue on this one, so it might not come out really good. And but we're going to try it anyway. Might get one or two out of it. So after you get this kind of damp, you just want to gently rub on it, and then I'm going to tell you what I used to glue this down. And of course I'm going to use my rag to wipe this off. And I thought I'd give this piece of foam a try, because this might be a little bit more gentle on this. You had to keep putting water in it though. And now they tell you not to put much water on this, but I think it's better the more water you have on it, because the lettering underneath of there, you're not going to really hurt it. This is laser jet, by the way. And you have to lay this down with the image reversed and all of that. And this one's coming out pretty good, actually. I'm going to have a few little spots here. It's not going to come off very good. But this looks like it did really well. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Alright, so here you can see this was one that was like where I used the rag and it rubbed a few places off, and this one over here is where I used the foam brush, and you know it looks really good except for the white. So I think what I'm going to do is, when I go to make these in the future, I'm going to paint it white before I do that. Now, here's the secret. This stuff right here. And often, a lot of times, I'll use this for glue, because personally, I think it makes a better glue than it does a sealer. But this is what I use to do my transfers. And that transfer looks really good. Now, they're going to have to be wiped off a little bit more probably, and you might have to get a fine pen like that one there. I can add to the A and I can save that. So yeah, that's what I'm using right there. So if you do this yourself, it seems like that foam brush did better than the cloth rag. So, well, there you go. So if you want to know how to do that yourself, now you can do this with Mod Podge and several other different things, but I always found that right there works way better. And the other thing is too, you want to go light with it. You don't want to put it on very heavy, because it will make your paper kind of soft and bubble up. So just taking lightly on the wood, and make sure you rub your transfer down really good, and it's going to come out really nice. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.